Dive into the mesmerizing world of seahorses, where their eyes are a spectacle of nature's marvels. Did you know seahorses can move their eyes independently in two different directions? Imagine a seahorse navigating with its eyes like tiny periscopes, scanning for predators or prey. Unlike humans, seahorses showcase incredible flexibility. Each eye moves independently, providing a panoramic view of their aquatic home. So, next time you're enchanted by a seahorse, remember their eyes hold a special power, a testament to the fascinating adaptations found in the depths of the ocean. Stay tuned for more glimpses into the extraordinary lives of marine creatures. Happy exploring!